Want to make your crypto work for you? Let's break down how you can earn passive income with staking rewards in just a few steps. Staking means locking up your crypto, like Ethereum, Cardano, or Polkadot, to help secure the blockchain. In return, the network pays you rewards, kind of like interest. How you earn? These rewards come in the same crypto you stake. The more you stake and the longer you leave it, the more your earnings can compound. It's money working for you even when you sleep. You can stake directly on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase or Simplicity, or use wallets and staking pools for more control. There's also liquid staking like Lido that lets you stake but still trade. Remember, staking isn't risk-free. Token prices can drop, and some platforms lock your funds for a period. Always diversify and reinvest more to maximize long-term growth. So if you want steady passive income, staking is one of the easiest way to get started. Start small, play it smart, and let your crypto grow for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.